Hi, I am 48, white, and do not strike for climate. And I will tell you why. I am a white man, and since Greta Thunberg started her world tour for climate emergency, I did not join a single climate change strike the whole year long. Instead of striking, I realized my own tour. I visit companies and factories. I have my boiler suit on and do just once. I prevent waste happen. I do it every day, 5 days a week. The last 2 working days of my week I spend in my workplace, consisting of 30 square meters divided into 2 rooms, in a 100-year-old building, processing findings of last week and preparing for the next one. I do it for 6 years already. I do not stop my working because of holidays. I do not strike for change the climate of the world. I change the world instead. When not in a factory or in the workplace, I am on my wheel or on my wheels. You may find me in schools sharing results and experience. I am preparing my speeches for conferences, finishing tools for projects and clients, writing blogs, sharing images and videos I took. I'm meeting people who feel strong enough to join me on the wasteless world construction site. People who standing alone or having a company decided it is better to generate profit instead of waste and share the profit instead of keeping it for own consumption only. There are many who decide to join me. The number is growing. There are many who decide to ignore me and the existence of Industry 5.0, industrial upcycling and systematic waste prevention. The number is declining. Those who ignore me keep saying we must manage waste and live from storytelling. The waste industry rewards is sweet and rich, so why not to ignore the change? Free money delivered for promises, for toothless action showing interest, but covering the inertia of giants. I do not know if Greta Thunberg ever read my open letter for her I submitted on June 26, 2019, nor does she probably get the possibility to read my letter addressed to her haters submitted just 12 days later. But I'm almost sure none of a single person in the streets protesting against climate change did. If it would be different, they will probably not be in the street, but in schools, in factories, companies changing the world by preventing waste happen with their own hands, hearts and minds, not with banners above their heads, leaving them on the sidewalk and street after the end, making new one for the next Friday. I'm 48, and 6 years I do change the world by preventing waste happen, having no time to strike, and to say somebody should do it. Have a nice day, my Corrada.